Recently I had to cut quite a few thin strips for a project. In order to do that, of course, I searched on YouTube and found somebody's idea for a thin strip cutting jig. I'm not going to repeat how to make one of these. There's a lot of good videos on that. And basically, you can just push the stock against this part, which is always the same distance from the blade, and you can get accurate, repeatable thin strip cuts. I do want to share a couple things I've learned, that after a number of thin strip cuts, you may need to replace this backboard, because after many cuts, there may be a bit of wear on this slot here, and because it is quite thin strips, they may try to sneak in there and jam between that notch and the saw blade. Also, if there's any debris that gets stuck in this spot at the end, it may force the stock not to sit flush against that surface, and then your strips will not be consistent at the thickness that you've set it for. So with this notch cut out, any debris that might otherwise collect in there goes into the notch and doesn't interfere with the thin strip cut. So very useful tool when you're making repeated cuts for thin strips. Again, I had to cut quite a few of them, a couple hundred to be exact. Anyhow, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. And if you are interested in this kind of stuff, subscribe and come back for more. I'll post more videos soon.